Right, welcome back to our channel. In today's edition, we are going to talk about social mining application. Remember that this is one of the best projects that we are mining out there. It has a good potential, and the good side of this particular project is that you can withdraw in as much as you reach the maximum limit of withdrawal. You can withdraw to the exchange of your choice. It's not until the project is being listed in exchange or TGA dates before they can release the project to you. No, you can withdraw in as much as you pass your KYC and reach the maximum amount that you can be able to withdraw. So you do well to withdraw. So another thing that you need to understand is that the KYC section is very, very important. So you click on this 3-line button. Once you click on the 3-line button, you can click on this. Make sure you present your real name and your real documents on your document so that it will approve within 24 hours. Very, very easy. So another thing you need to take note of is all your activity will be present to you in this history, transaction history. It will present to you. If you want to increase your mining speed, you can refer your friends and you increase your mining speed. As you can see, every 24 hours you earn what they called, you earn 4.8 social. So every day you are to come and activate your application. And another thing you need to take note of is your team. You can refer, click on this place, you can be able to refer, copy this link and you refer your friends and family. And another thing you need to take note of, this place that they said internal and external wallet. So internal wallet is a place where you create a wallet. As you can see where they said import existing wallet if you have created. If you have not created, you said click on create. So you take on this particular thing that they read here. This is your passphrase. This is key to access your account. You click on copy. Once you click on copy, then you paste it somewhere and you want it somewhere as well. So and another thing, if you don't want to make use of that, you can make use of this particular one that says external. So you click on external. External is a place where they will ask you to place your BSC contract address. Remember that this project is being built on BNB blockchain. So this is BSC blockchain. So you can go ahead and paste your contract address. So let me show you how you can get the contract address from the Trust Wallet. In these tutorials, we are going to make use of Trust Wallet. Remember, you can as well make use of MetaMask wallet, but today let's make use of Trust Wallet. So let's go to Trust Wallet. So as you can see, just hold on. Let's hold on. Let's get there. So here we are on the Trust Wallet. Once you get to Trust Wallet, you click. Once you get to Trust Wallet this way, you just click on this BNB logo. So once you click on BNB, you click on Receive button. Once you click on Receive button, you click on this. Once you click on that, then you go back to the site. Then you can as well erase this. You can as well erase it. You can update it. You can just do this. You can remove this and paste it again. Remember, here it is written enter your BSC contract address wallet. So you click on this, then you click on update. So as you can see, claiming coming soon. So that is it. So you can see wallet successfully updated. So let's go back. And another thing you need to take note of is the place that I stated categorically. So this is the place that I stated categorically that you must submit your BSC contract address, which is BNB Smart Contract Social BSC token distributed. So it means that this particular project is being built on BNB blockchain. So and participants must complete the KYC, deposits and withdraw facilities for true miners. Social token can be exchanged to purchase different goods and services. Ecosystem building well continues at this phrase, our page. So you can go ahead and read this to the end. Because of this video not be too long, I'm not going to walk you through that. So you can go ahead and go through it. And another thing you need to understand is once you start mining, you click on this. So this is where you can perform some tasks, which I'm going to show you in the next video. So you can perform some tasks, follow the Twitter, post and repost, and that is how you can earn from this particular place. And another thing, this is your referral code, this is your username, this is your referral code, and this is email that you can make use of. And another thing you need to notice is, take note of that, if you come across this particular application and it's not open, then you can log out and log in again, then for that to start functioning, because this is a new project, this is a new application. Sometimes they go for maintenance, sometimes they are working on it for the maintenance. So if you come across the application and it does not log in, you can log out and log in back again, or you can install it and you can delete it and install it again, then it will start working fine. So that is how this project works. So I think you have understand this to the end. If you have not understand it or anyone, so do well to put it in the description, in the comment section, so that I'll make a video about that. So as you can see, my mining rate is 0.20 social by hour. So it means if I want to increase it, I should refer the friends, then it will increase in number. So go ahead and refer your friends. So if you find this information, this video very helpful, do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell, so that each time we upgrade an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So go ahead and start mining right away. Check on the description of this video and you'll see a link, then start mining right away. So have a nice day and be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.